In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on AliExpress, whether you're eagerly waiting for your package or you just want to track your purchase. Knowing how to manage your orders can save you both time and stress. Let's dive right in and make sure you're staying on top of your AliExpress purchases smoothly. First, you'll want to start by opening the AliExpress app on your mobile device or heading to the AliExpress website on your computer. Once there, log into your account. It's important to ensure that you're logged in with the right credentials, so double check to avoid any confusion later on. If you're not already signed in, you'll find the login option quite accessible on the home page. After successfully logging in, let's move on to the next step. At the top right corner of the website or app, you will see your account or profile name. Hover over that area and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to click on My Orders. This section is crucial because it holds all the information related to your recent shopping activities on AliExpress. Once you've clicked on My Orders, you will be presented with a list of all your recent purchases. This page consolidates your shopping history in one place, giving you easy access to everything you've ordered. From here, you can scroll through and identify the orders you're interested in reviewing or tracking. Now, let's talk about reviewing the details of a specific order. Click on the order that you want to check out. This will take you to an overview page where you can see comprehensive details about your order. Here, you will find a breakdown of items purchased, the order number, the payment method used, and the shipping address. Furthermore, you'll be able to see the delivery status, which could indicate that your package is awaiting shipment, has been shipped, or has already been delivered. For those who are particularly keen on keeping track of their shipments, there is a handy feature available. Right within the order detail page, you'll notice a button labeled Track Order. Clicking this button will provide you with real-time shipping updates, so you'll know exactly where your package is at any given moment. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly track your orders and gain peace of mind about your AliExpress purchases. Whether you're buying electronics, clothing, or just about anything else, staying informed and managing your orders efficiently has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep these tips in mind for all your future AliExpress shopping endeavors.